Aunt Angel here with a quick DIY temporary fix video. Working on the roof that I did myself a few years ago. It's been, I don't know, 3 years, maybe 4. I think it's only been 3. And over here in this section, I've had issues since I first did it because I didn't put in the tapered system right. So all things you learn when you're doing a roof by yourself. But just wanted to share, it's not that difficult of a fix to go over these seams. I don't have a spare hand, but can you see this stuff? That's a roll of fabric, and this stuff, some rubberized all-weather wet patch. This thing, I buy the disposable ones because then I can dispose of them. Gloves, important. And then less than an hour you can go over some seams. If I had to do this whole roof, it'd probably be a whole day and a couple of bigger buckets, but still not that hard in the whole schema of things. And you just put a little down, and then you put a layer of fabric over it, and then you put some more over that, and over time it gets real hard. But even if it's pending rain like it is right now, and a little bit damp and dirty like it is right now, this stuff works like a charm. There is better stuff. The silicone stuff is probably better, but it's way more expensive, and it does not stick on a wet or on a dirty surface. And as you can see, this is definitely dirty, probably a little damp in there because it was just wet this morning. So yeah, maybe I'll put a link to this stuff, but in any case, I just wanted to share in my DIY spirit, because even though probably the roof wouldn't be leaking if I hadn't done it myself, I didn't have the money to pay somebody else to do it. So good time to remind you, if you have the money to buy a professional, do that. They know what they're doing. There's a reason they get paid. But if you don't be afraid to try to do something yourself, because it might be easier than you think, and you'll learn along the way. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'm going to get off this roof. Ciao for now. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe, would you? Thanks.